In this lecture, we're going to be looking at some of the uses of biotech, and specifically genetically engineered plants and animals. Genetically modified animals and plants are also referred to as GMO, which means genetically modified organism. Again, that could be also called transgenic. This is any organism that has acquired one or more genes by artificial means through the use of biotechnology. In 2000, about 50% of the crops of soybeans and corn in the U.S. were genetically modified. They were mostly given herbicide and pesticide resistance. That is, to give the plants resistant to certain things that kill plants and different pests. This is so that the farmers can treat these crops with pesticides and herbicides that will kill weeds and other pests but not harm the crop. Scientists have been experimenting with genetically modified animals. These are much more difficult to do than plants because of the time it takes to analyze the results. It takes a lot longer to breed animals than it does plants. However, the goals are similar to traditional breeding, but the potential to be much more effective, producing animals that will produce better milk or better meat for humans, or more wool in the case of sheep. Some of the products that are already on the market from genetically modified animals would include softer wool, faster growing fish, so for farm fish can grow faster so we can get them to the market quicker, leaner meat in pigs or cows so that'd be healthier meat, and manufacturing human hormones in milk than extracting them for sale. One of the most controversial areas of biotech is animal cloning. Animal cloning could produce a race of genetically identical animals that have all the same traits. This would be very beneficial in farms. It could genetically tailor vaccines for all of the animals, and it could maximize farming production. However, when you produce things that are genetically identical, you take away variety, which we talk later in evolution can also be not beneficial to evolution. There is a controversy around genetically modified organisms. Can they be harmful to human health? Are they harmful to the environment? Can pass genes onto other plants, creating superweeds? There's no evidence of the negative effects have been published, but yet there have not been any long-term studies since this is relatively new technology. Currently, these are some things that are considered fiction, but they are working on them. Gene splicing already living humans, gene therapy, correcting genome errors, growing human organs in farm animals, like the liver, the heart, and etc. Scientists are working on these ideas and theories, but as of yet, these have not been accomplished.